You're probably wondering how to make a paper spiderweb and spider for Halloween decorations. You will need scissors, a simple pencil or pen, a ruler, and a rectangular sheet of paper. Fold the short side of the paper over to meet the long side. Press down with your fingers where the paper is folded. Cut off the rectangle on the right side along the fold. Set the rectangle aside. Unfold the triangle. Fold the bottom edge up to meet the top edge. And press firmly along the crease. Take hold of the left edge and fold it like this. Press the paper. Fold the left side down to the bottom edge. Press the paper. Fold the left side down to the bottom edge again. Press down with your fingers where the paper is folded. Use scissors to trim off the top. Place a dot at the center. Take your ruler and draw 2 lines near that dot. Draw 5 small arches on each side. This will be your spiderweb. Cut the paper along the drawn lines. Carefully pull the edges apart, and we'll get a beautiful spiderweb. Place something heavy on top of the spiderweb for a while to flatten it out. Take the rectangle we cut off earlier. Fold the left short side over to the right short side and press the paper. Lift the top layer of paper and fold it over to the left edge, pressing the paper. Cut off this rectangle. Fold it in half. Draw the spider's abdomen, the head, 4 legs, draw the chelicerae on the spider's head. Make the legs slightly wider so they're easy to cut out. Cut the paper along the drawn lines. Unfold the spider. Color the spider. Your paper spiderweb and spider are now ready. Give a like and subscribe to the channel. I wish you an unforgettable Halloween party.